Digia. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing the ultimate drugstore makeup tutorial. So I feel like it's been so long since I did a drugstore makeup tutorial. Honestly, I don't even know if I've ever did like a full one. I know like a long time ago I did like a drugstore versus like high-end makeup tutorial, but today we're going to do a full drugstore makeup tutorial. So if you guys are interested to see how that turns out, then just keep on watching. My spring colored clips today, they're so bright and like you know, springy. I love it. So let's get started with the makeup tutorial. I already did my eyebrows off camera, and I used the e.l.f. Instant Lift brow pencil to do my eyebrows, and then I just carved them out with the e.l.f. Putty color correcting eye brightener. I just use it as like a under my eyebrow concealer. It's okay. It's very like creamy, so it kind of doesn't have that much coverage, if that makes sense. They used to have this like concealer that I loved so much, but they don't make it anymore. It's like, it was like a pot concealer, but yeah, I don't think they make it anymore, so like I'm very upset about that. Okay, so to prime my eyes, we're going to be using the Rimmel London multitasker concealer in the shade Tan Ochre. For eyeshadow, we're going to be using the NYX Modern Dreamer palette. I know NYX is a little bit more like known now, but it used to be like a drugstore brand. I don't know if it's still considered like drugstore, but this is like one of the only drugstore palettes that I have. I also have this ColourPop palette. I don't know if ColourPop is considered drugstore either. I feel like I see NYX at the drugstore more than I see ColourPop, so I think we're just gonna use this NYX palette. So we're gonna take the fourth shade in the first row on just a fluffy brush, and we're gonna put that on the outer corner of our eye and blend it halfway into the crease. Okay, next we're gonna take the last shade in the first row on an M330 brush. We're just gonna take that and put that in the outer corner as well and into the crease. Now on this Juvia's Place fluffy brush, we're gonna take the third shade in the first row, and we're just gonna take it and blend out the inner corner of my eye and really like up into the brow, not on the brow, but you just want to make sure that inner corner is nice and blended out. And now on this small fluffy brush, we're going to take the fourth shade in the second row, which is like a dark burgundy shade. We're just going to put that on the outer corner of the eye and blend it halfway into the crease. And now we're going to take the fourth row down, and we're going to take the last shade in that row, and we're just going to put that on the outer corner as well and halfway into the crease. And now we're going to cut the crease with that same e.l.f. concealer that we used to carve out our brows. And we're going to take a M124 brush. And on another Morphe 124 brush, we're going to take the third shade in the first row and basically just set the crease where we cut the crease. We're going to take the white shade, which is the first shade, and put that on the inner corner. Now we're going to take the M330 brush, and we're just going to blend out the outer half of the cut crease with whatever excess shadow is on this brush. And now for eyeliner, we're going to take the LA Girl gel liner in the shade Jet Black. I'm not going to do a wing liner with this. We're basically just going to do a liner, and then once we get to the outer corner, we're going to blend it out into the outer half. kind of want to add some shimmer to this, so I'm gonna take the first shade in the second row, which is like a shimmery gold shade, and I'm just gonna put that on where I cut the cut crease. I'm gonna do my other eye off camera really quickly, and then I'll come back with you guys to do the face. So now we're gonna move on to foundation. So first we're gonna do primer. So the primer that we're gonna use is the NYX Marshmallow Primer. I like this primer a lot. It smells really good, and I feel like it works pretty good too. It's not very sticky, so if you like a sticky primer, I wouldn't recommend this primer, but I do like it. Okay, and now for foundation, we're gonna mix two foundations. We're gonna take the LA Girl Pro Coverage foundation in the shade Warm Beige, and we're gonna take this Rimmel Stay Matte foundation in the shade Warm Caramel. Now for under eye concealer, we're going to take the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in the shade Sand Beige. For the rest of my face, I'm going to use the Rimmel London Multitasker Concealer again, just for like my nose, my forehead, Cupid's bow, and my chin. Now to set my under eyes, I'm going to take this e.l.f. contour palette, and I'm going to take the second shade. For cream bronzing, we're going to take the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. For blush, we're going to take the Sleek blush palette in the shade Pink Lemonade, and we're going to take the cream we're going to take the cream shade in the middle. Now for bronzing, we're going to take the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Powder Foundation in the shade Java. And now for the under eye, we're going to take this pencil brush, and we're going to take the darkest shade that we use, which is the last shade in the second to last row. We're just going to put that under our eye. And for lips, we're going to take this Glow Reviver Lip Oil by e.l.f. I'm going to go off camera, put on a lash, and then I'll come back with you guys for the finished look. Okay guys, so this is the finished full drugstore makeup tutorial. I love it. I feel like it looks so good. Let me know what you guys think down below. I'm not gonna lie, usually for my foundation and stuff, I usually will use like inexpensive, because I am not one to spend $30, $40, $50+ on a foundation. I'm sorry, I'm just not. Like, that's just not me. Maybe one day it will be. I truly doubt it, but I feel like my base looks pretty good. Like, I don't see how it could look much better. I'm not saying that to be like cocky and annoying. I'm just saying, like, how could a $50 foundation with like my skill set do better than like this? But yeah, I really like it. I think it looks really good. Let me know what you guys think down below. I love the eyeshadow as well. I feel like it's very like nighttimey, and like it still looks really good, like I'm saying, for like a drugstore product. And yeah, this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It will also be in the description box down below for your convenience. If you like makeup and or you want to support me, please subscribe, because I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers, and I would love to have you join my little makeup family. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.